Hey y'all, Dennis's Backyard Barbecue. Today we're going to do a little bit of venison. This is a recipe that I found online, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a stuffed venison backstrap, and we're going to wrap it up in bacon. I saw this idea the other day from Meat Church, and Meat Church has some good recipes, so I wanted to try this and put my own little twist on it. So let's get to cooking. Okay, so I've got my back straps, and what I'm going to do, just mess that one up, I'm going to make an incision. I don't want to go all the way to the end. I just want to open it up so I got a pouch. I don't want to go all the way through. Okay, so there's my pouch. Let's do this one also. So don't go all the way to the end, and then just go a little bit deeper, making sure not to go all the way through, and then open it up. And there's that pouch. Now, I've chopped up some jalapeños. These are pickled. You can use fresh or pickled, either way. I'm going to put these in here. Now we've got whipped cream cheese spread. I'm going to put some of that in here. All right, now we're going to close these up. And it's going to be a little messy, but that's okay. So we get it closed up like that. And then we're going to close this one up. You don't have to use venison for this. You can use pretty much any cut of meat that you want. I just happened to have some venison, and I saw the recipe and said, well, let's give it a go, because you got to love some backstrap. Okay, now that we've got that done, I'm using devil's spit seasoning, and I'm going to put just a little light coat of devil's spit on there. We're going to put more on after we get it wrapped. But now I'm just going to take and I'm going to wrap this in bacon. You can do a weave if you want. I'm not going to mess with doing a weave. I'm just going to do me a little bacon wrap. All right, I'm going to finish wrapping these up, and then I'll get right back with you. All right, so I got them all wrapped up in bacon. We're going to put some more seasoning on them now. Now we're going to go a little bit heavier with the devil's spit. So we got our cream cheese, we got our jalapeños. All right, let's get that grill heated up. Okay, I've got my little grill mat in here that I use for cooking fish. And the reason for that is I don't want the bacon to stick. And I'm gonna cook these. I got my coals over here. I'm gonna cook these indirect. I've got my temperature indicator here because I'm gonna run this cook at 325 degrees and I'm away from the heat. So that's what I want it to be. And we'll go from there. Let's put the lid on this thing and let it start cooking. I expect it to take about an hour. Okay, we got about 15 minutes to go. I did just flip these a few minutes ago. So now I'm gonna flip them back and then we're gonna put some glaze on them. And the glaze we're gonna put on is Rothschild roasted pineapple and habanero. All right, so let me flip these back over real quick. Now we're gonna glaze them up. Man, that's looking good. That's gonna give it a little extra tang. It's not real hot, not spicy, but it'll give it some good flavor. All right, we're gonna let that roll for about another 15 minutes and then we're gonna pull it and then we'll see what we did. All right. All right, let's get these things off of here. Man, that looks good. That looks real good. Get this off of here. All right, we've let these things cool down for a few minutes. So let's cut into it. See what we got. Oh yeah. Let me zoom in on that for you. How's that for a nice little cross section? Now let's see what it tastes like. Okay. I think these are still gonna be pretty hot, but I just want to have a taste. Messy, but man, a jalapeno, cream cheese, bacon, nice medium rare backstrap. It don't get no better than this, man. All right, have another taste. That is messy, but good. All right, that does it for this video. I will put the recipe down in the description as well as links to ThermoPro's website and Amazon. I don't have a coupon code for you, but ThermoPro's website, you got 3 different coupon codes. You can use DBB15 to save 15% off. You can use ThermoPro 20 to save 20% on any purchase $30 or more. Or you could also use Dennis 30 and you'll save 30% off of the ThermoPro Twin Spike Pro, which is the Wi-Fi version of the twin temp spikes. And yeah, I did a review on it. You can go back and find it, but it's really good for long cooks when you don't want to sit by the grill all day. Anyway, that was a really good backstrap. Shout out to Meat Church. I used most of your recipe, but I've switched it up a little bit. Anyway, until next time I see y'all at the grill, y'all keep on grilling.